What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rude Money, back with the Better Sweet Life. And today, I know my hair looks crazy, but it's intentional. Don't worry, I got a plan. You probably won't see the plan in this video. You'll probably just see this crazy hair in this video, but it don't matter. It don't matter, because we are here right now to change out the trunk button. If it is worn out, if it's broken, cracked, or whatever it is, if you just want to switch it out because it tickles your pickle, whatever it is, switch out the trunk button. We're gonna learn together, because I really don't know how to do it. I kind of have an idea, but I don't know. I didn't look it up. I'm just gonna go for it. I kind of saw how the button itself looks like, so I have an idea how I should be able to take it out and then replace it. And I guess I'll show you guys. If I do it wrong, well, you'll see, and you'll learn from my mistakes before you guys commit the mistake and make anything worse. I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. It's not going to be a long video by any means, so I'm not going to do too much talking. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is the button that we're going to be switching out. As you can see, mine looks like the trunk is actually opening, and the car is white, and the hood is open too. So, like, I don't know. This is what it's supposed to look like. All right, if you guys can see that versus what that is. Yeah, not cool. So we're gonna try to switch it out. Now, this should work for a multitude of cars, including the 5 Series, which is this one. This is the 2014 5 Series. So it should work for the F10, F11, F12, F1, and F02, or F01, F02. And I'm guessing others, right? I think the F36 has about the same looking button. So anything that kind of looks the same, let's use this technique. Based on the button itself, it's like this. All right, it comes like this. All right, so I'm guessing we kind of just gotta pop it out. All right, try to get in to the inside and kind of take it out. So I'm gonna use something like this. All right, and see if maybe this does the job. Now, this is a little too thick, so you might have to go in on the side. I'm gonna try to go in on this side, try to pull the whole button out. Boom, pop out the whole button, and see if maybe that'll make it a little bit easier to see what I'm doing. Now, I just popped open the trunk. That's not good. And I don't care about damaging the actual button, because again, we're replacing it. So if you need some scuff marks on it or whatever, that's fine. As long as it doesn't happen to the casing itself, we'll be good. But what I want to do is I want to remove this from the trunk, so I don't keep pressing it and mess it up some other which way. Alright, yeah, so I tried destroying it. I tried moving it. I tried to get some needle noses to pull it out, putting something in between, prying it out. It doesn't work. So I came in from the bottom. Alright, I'm removing the cover from this actual white part that you see here, this little trim. Okay, remove that, and then I notice it comes out super easily. There was nothing to be actually worried about, and that's kind of it. Now the button literally just falls out that easily. Okay, now make note that the wheels of the button, so the wheels of the car that's on the button, go towards the sticker. All right, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Put it back in. Goes like this. The wheels go towards the sticker. Okay, it's gonna go like that. Now we're just gonna put this mechanism back in. All right, matching those pins to the actual pins here, so you'll know it goes like this. Okay, just want to make sure everything's nice and flush. All right, as it should be. And boom, clicks right back into place. And our button is, or should be, fully functional.
Nice.
Yes, it is. It just closed, just opened. And now that it's working, press this back into place. Just like that. And now we got a brand new button.